everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making egg tofu and prawns with spicy garlic sauce. For the ingredients, you will need 2 tubes of egg tofu. You can buy these in any Chinese supermarket. Cut them up into bite sizes and place them on a tray for steaming later. For the prawns, marinate them with a pinch of pepper and a pinch of salt. Mix in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch as well. Place the prawns on top of the egg tofu and then steam them for 10 minutes on medium heat. Whilst that's steaming, chop up 1 bulb of garlic, some ginger, some chilli, and some spring onions. After 10 minutes, remember to take out the prawns or else they'll overcook. Moving on to the sauce, heat up some oil and start stir frying the ginger and garlic until they're fragrant. Add in the chilli and continue to stir fry for around a minute and then add in the spring onions. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of soya sauce, and a dash of water. When the sauce starts to simmer, pour them onto the prawns and then you're ready to serve. And that's how I make egg tofu and prawns with spicy garlic sauce, perfect with a bowl of rice. Thanks for watching!